Welcome to Delft Stack. If Microsoft Edge shows a PDF viewer error when opening local files on your computer, here is how to fix it step by step. First, make sure the file isn't the problem. Try opening the same PDF using another app. If it doesn't open there, the file might be corrupted. If the file works fine, go back to Edge and restart the browser completely. Close all tabs, then reopen it and try again. Now clear Edge cache because corrupted cache can break the PDF viewer. Go to Settings, Privacy, Clear Browsing Data, choose Cached Files, then restart Edge. Next, check if Edge is updated. Go to Help and Feedback, click on About Microsoft Edge and install any available updates. Many PDF issues were fixed in recent versions of Microsoft Edge. If the error still shows, disable extensions. Some extensions block local file access. Go to Extensions and turn everything off. Then test the PDF again. Another important fix is checking file permissions. Right-click the PDF file. Go to Properties and make sure it's not blocked and your user has full access. You should also reset Edge settings. Go to Settings, Reset Settings, and Restore Defaults. This often fixes hidden configuration issues. If local PDFs still won't open, check the default PDF viewer and make sure Edge is allowed to open PDFs. Last option, repair Edge from Windows settings. Go to Apps, select Edge, click Modify and run the repair tool. After applying these fixes, your local PDF files should open normally without errors. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.